Napakahusay. Ooh. He looks like a Hollywood superhero here, guys. What I really notice in every Alfie Rev creations is that, the production is insane and it is indeed worth watching. You know what I'm saying, guys? Because of 100% effort from their wardrobe to their costumes to the sounds and to the cinematography. You know what I'm saying, guys? Ay, grabe. The hell! I love the CGI. Mm. Shucks! So this video is really jam-packed, guys. Aside from the emotional impact it will give to you, y- it will also showcase the action and the thriller type of feeling, right? It's so nice. Oh, this specific scene reminds me of Shang-Chi, the Marvel's Shang-Chi is power. Well, Shang-Chi has rings, but here it has, I don't know, I can't see. Oh, looks like a magic one. Ang angas, gagi. Let's give a plus grade for the effort. Oh, taray, the CGI is insane. So she's back. I forgot her name. I saw her last Nusantara 2 and 1. She's beautiful. Guys, indeed goddess. Ganda. She's so beautiful. Nice. So I think he's giving back the stone to the tribe.
Wahai Sang Garuda, atas nama segenap
Garuda.
bangsa anak namin lahir hidup
It's giving me goosebumps right now, guys.
dalam kebinekaan yang
Yeah, unity in diversity.
serta perdamaian abadi. Terima kasih telah senantiasa bersemayam menjaga bumi Nusantara.
So my God. Sorry guys, I'm speechless. It's so nice and good. This is so fucking nice. That moment. Indonesia 1952.
Zagen we het heel duidelijk. Een hele grote
Enormous bird behind Indonesian soldiers. Garuda. Ooh, that's it. We can all agree that Alfie is one of the finest in the filmmaking industry. What I'm saying is, he's insane! Paano niya nagagawa to? And I think it is part of the independence of our brothers and sisters and the whole Indonesia itself. And I love how Alfie showcased a beautiful side of Indonesia. Those indigenous peoples and the locals of Nusantara. So with that, salute to Alfie for doing this kind of masterpiece. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching my reaction videos. Hopefully you enjoyed it. And if you have any recommendations guys that you want me to do a reaction video, let me know guys in the comment section. Comment it down guys. And if you have other comments or insights about this video, you may also comment it down guys in the comment section. And of course, if you haven't subscribed on my YouTube channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell for you to be updated to all my reaction videos. So yeah, this has been CJ, your man of letters, and thank you for watching everyone. Bye bye.